Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. Today we are going to study about components of food. We will know what is food. Food is any substance that is used as a source of nourishment by an organism. Food contains some components or nutrients that are needed by our body for proper growth and healthy body function. There are six main components present in food: carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals, roughage or dietary fibers. These nutrients fulfill different needs of our body. No single food item contains all the nutrients required to lead a healthy life. So food can be classified into three groups: energy giving food, body building food, protective food. So here we see carbohydrates. Carbohydrates provide energy to body which keep it going throughout the day. Carbohydrates are of two types: sugar and starch. Sugar are simple carbohydrates. It is found in the form of glucose, fructose and maltose. They are sweet and soluble in water. Fruits, sugar and honey are some sources of sugar. Starch. Starch is a complex carbohydrate. It is insoluble in water. Rice, wheat, corn, potato are some sources of starch. When we eat plant products containing sugar and starch, our digestive system breaks them into glucose, which is simplest form of sugar, absorbed by blood and provide us energy. Fats, to provide energy, are mainly stored under the skin and provide energy when body runs short of carbohydrates, and it also helps to keep body warm. Fats are of two types: saturated fat and unsaturated fat. Fats of animal origin like full cream milk, butter, ghee, meat, fish, eggs, etc. They are solid at room temperature. Animal fats are known as saturated fats. Fats of plants origin include vegetable oils such as mustard oil, coconut oil, groundnut oil, and various nuts. These oils are liquid at room temperature. They are known as unsaturated fats. Proteins. Proteins are body building food. Proteins are needed by our body for muscles building and repairing of worn out tissues. Our muscles, organs, and even blood are made up of protein. Certain protein regulates all the chemical reactions that go on inside the body. These are called enzymes. Protein in our diet come from both plants and animal sources. Plant sources of proteins are pulses, soyabean, gram, pea, nuts, etc. Animal sources of proteins are eggs, fish, meat, milk, etc. Growing child and people who are ill require more protein. Vitamins. Vitamins are needed for proper function of body, although they have no energy value, but they are important for the body as they help in keeping our eyes, bone, teeth and gums healthy. There are 13 vitamins and each has a specific function. Vitamins are of two types: fat-soluble vitamins, water-soluble vitamins. Vitamin A, D, E, and K are fat-soluble vitamins. Fat-soluble vitamins are stored in the fat tissue of our body and are used only when body needs them. Body prepare vitamin D in the presence of sunlight. Water-soluble vitamins, vitamin B1, B2, B3, B6, B12 and folic acid, all together known as B complex, and vitamin C. Water-soluble vitamins are not stored in body. These needed to be added or supplied through food items like citrus fruit, whole grains, leafy vegetables. Lack of vitamins in the body can cause deficiency diseases. Minerals. Minerals also helps our body to stay healthy. Minerals perform important functions like formation of bones, teeth, and blood cells and help in maintaining normal heartbeat. Minerals are of two types: macrominerals and trace minerals. Macrominerals need in large amount. Calcium, magnesium, sodium, and potassium are macrominerals. Trace minerals needed in very small amount. Iron, zinc, copper, and iodines are trace minerals. Roughage or dietary fibers. The portion of the plant food that do not provide any nutrients to our body but helps in maintaining a healthy digestive system is called roughage or dietary fibers. Roughage are of two types, soluble and insoluble. Soluble roughage are soluble in water, whereas insoluble roughage are not. Apple, strawberry, peach, and rice are examples of food items rich in soluble roughage that helps in blood circulation. Whole grain, carrot, cabbage, turnip, and cauliflower are examples of food items rich in insoluble roughage. Lack of insoluble roughage in the diet cause the stool to become hard and difficult to pass. This condition is called constipation. Water. Almost 70% of our body weight is water. Water is needed by our body for good health. It helps to transport substances inside our body. It helps our body to absorb nutrients from food. It helps to regulate our body temperature. It is needed for various chemical reaction that takes place inside our body during digestion, excretion, etc. We get water not only from the liquids we drink but also from the food we eat. Milk, fruits, vegetables, and juices are good sources of water. I hope this video will help you to understand the chapter component of food. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe it. Thank you.